Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my this video I'm going to tell you how you can reset your phone, or you can say the factory data reset Vivo V23 and Vivo V23 5G. So if you want to erase all the data and make your phone a new phone like the factory data reset in your this device Vivo V23 and Vivo V23 5G, just follow the steps as I'm showing in this video. And yes, if you are new to the channel, just do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. And now watch the video and follow the steps I am showing.